What's going on, guys? J-Tigs here. Good morning. It is a late morning. And yeah, show your fangs like the fat idiot just did. Hope you guys are all having a good day so far. What are we doing today?
Well, I'm working and you're dancing around like a ballerina, you fool.
Wow. Alright, so I guess I'm dancing around like a ballerina. And I'm a fool. Whoa, okay. So, we're going to get some material now. Driving like an idiot. Over there. Driving like a retard. How you doing? He thought it was food.
Don't care.
But yeah, if you guys enjoy the vlog today, don't forget to leave a like, sub to the page if you aren't already, comment.
Show those fangs!
Like, sub, comment, share, and follow on all social media. Enjoy. That was a dog taking a dump. What else?
I'm videotaping. Idiot. Why'd you show the outdoor skating rink?
Outdoor skating rink. You happy?
How's it outdoor if it's in a tent, you stupid idiot?
You're gonna touch my candy like that?
Oh, man.
What are you touching my candy for?
Because you offered it to me.
I did.
Show you my nipples.
Oh my god.
I am your father, right? Unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
Only a blood test will prove it.
Where's the nearest blood test area? Place you get your blood test done. I don't know what it's called.
Well, we could go to a sanitation yard.
Yo.
Ah, what an idiot. Can't do nothing right. Ooh, look, a crane. Ooh, look, Maritime Center. Ooh, look, an idiot with a camera. That place sucks.
What place?
That deli.
Why?
They made us sit there for 45 minutes with our food on the counter and never told us it was ready. You never upset a fat man with his food. I don't care, man. I want my food. How am I going to perfect the truffle shuffle if I can't put on many more
Why don't
tubs?
you show everybody the truffle shuffle? Come on.
I need energy.
Come on.
Hey, look, idiot. There's a truck.
Hey, look. Truffle shuffle. Come on.
No.
You're so dumb.
You already offered me candy for nipples.
I'll offer you 2 candies to truffle shuffle with your shirt off.
No. I'll smear the chocolate on my nipples. How you doing?
That's more Dookie Dog. Oh, can't see it. Anyway, if you guys didn't know, that's St. Mary's. What is it? St. Mary's
By the sea.
by the sea. But it's always good to go down there and relax, get your mind off things. What?
You hate going down there.
I don't hate going down there. It's just you always do it. I don't always have to get my mind off things.
You ain't got a mind.
But hey, what are those over there, G?
Chickens.
Can't see them. Hold on. What are those?
Chickens.
Yeah, right.
You know what those ducks are about to do.
What are those ducks about to do?
You know, man. I told you the other day.
What are those ducks about to do? They don't.
They,
Yeah, you won't say nothing.
they're about to find those condoms.
Anyway,
They're about to duck, goose.
I used to skate there. Not anymore because I'm not that good, but
You never were that good.
yeah, I used to skate that. Let me zoom out real quick for you. And then we got the beach.
And St. Mary's from the other side.
And more beach. And way over there, that's where we just were. That's St. Mary's from the other side. Hello. Get it? And then...
We're all flamingos.
Look at all those flamingos. You know what they're waiting for? They're waiting to catch you outside. How about that?
Nah, they're waiting for the ducks to be done with your...
Today's lunch, we're at a diner. And I'm getting French toast. What are you getting, homie?
You're on my time, man. Don't be getting text messages. My
Okay.
time.
What are you getting to eat?
I don't eat, man. I devour.
You don't eat. That's a lie.
Shut up, man. My soup's coming. Get out my face.
Alright, we out. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, it is pouring out here. The storm came a little late. It was just windy last night, I guess. But yeah, it's pouring now. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, sub, share the video, and follow on all social media. Show them stripes. GB, you got anything else to say?
Hey, Mr. Candy Bar, do you have my money? No, I don't. When are you gonna have it? Give me 24 hours. No!
I gotta go revive my Reese's Sticks. So, catch y'all later. Peace.